Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately. Plug the phone into power and make sure it has connectivity. Once done, verify you know the primary Google account email and password. This matters for post-reset activation. Try remote unlock with Find My Device or use smart lock options first because they avoid data loss. If those fail, power the phone off and get ready to boot into recovery mode. Different manufacturers use different button combos, so choose the correct one for your model. Once the device is off, press the manufacturer's recovery key combo and hold until the boot menu appears. Navigate with the volume keys to highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset and press Power to select, then confirm the action when prompted. This step restores the system image and removes the forgotten PIN, pattern, or password, but it also deletes user data. Make sure you understand that this is irreversible on device. It clears settings and local files, so you'll need to restore from a cloud backup afterward. After the reset completes, choose Reboot System Now and allow the phone to finish first boot. This can take several minutes. During setup, sign in with the same Google account previously on the device to satisfy factory reset protection. This is why confirming credentials earlier matters. Make sure to restore backups and reconfigure your screen lock and security settings. If you hit an activation lock or can't recall the original account, use Google Account Recovery immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.